Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Just let me know if I'm audible to you. Is the voice clear? Good evening, sir. Hope you're doing well. The future really surging right now. Yeah, could see that it was somewhere around 2.2%. Now it's changed to 3.34. Lakshmi Babu sir, good evening. Shilamutu ma'am, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing good too. Yes, audio all good. All good. Okay. Now this is just a 3 minutes time frame chart. I can switch to 15 minutes also if you want. Now what we can notice is this is a resistance. This is a resistance. And fourth time slightly market has given a breakout, but it has failed. This is acting as support. Again, this area is acting as support. Some people will draw a trend line like this where market gave a breakdown, fake breakdown. Again, it moved towards the upside. So I'm considering this area only as a supporting zone. Now I feel the sellers who are on top, they are kind of strong in the market, and maybe market can test this level once. Okay, in a symmetric pattern range, market is holding on to a range. It can test one level and later correct. So this I'm saying close to 1000 points, 1200 points moment, right? This is what I'm thinking about right now. But market is in a very crucial zone. Also, let me know how many of you can observe this. Left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So this became bullish head and shoulder pattern. The length of the head will be the target, something like that. But quickly, before the market opens, if I plan my entry, any stop loss, if it takes, it is difficult. I have to place a stop loss here. So that is one concern I have right now. So I'll wait for some time, let the market open. Upside move, I feel up to this zone. Later again, after giving a breakout, we can see some sellers pressure in the market. I know Dow Jones is kind of bullish. It's kind of at 3.3, 3.7% move. But another 2 more minutes, we will wait, traders. In the comment section, let me know. What is your view? Let me know, traders, what's your view? Okay, participate in the poll. Tell me what your view is. Anup sir, good evening. Lakshmi Babu sir, good evening. Madhe sir, Redan, Lakshmi Narayana, Reddy sir, Anup sir, Muthu, Selvan sir, Crazy Creator sir. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the live stream. Meanwhile, whoever has not yet liked the live stream, please do that and support the channel. So let me repeat the view what I'm having right now. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, but market is yet to open. Okay, usually there's a bullish pattern. The length of this head can be the target, but I cannot plan my entry directly. Maybe I will miss out on the opportunity also if market directly moves, but by chance, if I have to enter now, also stop loss somewhere here or below the zone I have to keep. Maybe it can come to the support and later move towards the upside. That is one concern. That's why I have not taken any bullish trade as of now. Time is 7 o'clock. We will see, traders. Already once this was a resistance, previously also this was resistance. Market gave a breakout, it corrected. Now it is showing some bullishness. Maybe if it goes above this zone, I might consider 3.36. It's going to be a test. Randomly, I'll not plan. We will see. Market is very close to resistance. I feel if the market opens and sellers are strong, or not, they will at least push the market 500 to 700 points down before the market can give a breakout. See, with that view itself, I'm not taking a bullish trade, right? So in this is the recent high from where continuously market formed lower high, lower low. It started forming, but now it has not yet formed a lower low. If the buyers who are here, they are strong, they'll push the market towards the upside, correction, movement towards the upside, form an M pattern, fake breakout, attract some people. Later, we can see a move. So that 1,000 points move is the maximum I'm expecting. I'm not expecting 1,500, 2,000 points move and all. As of now, our left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So above the zone, I have to look for any opportunity on the buying side. Until then, I don't feel like taking a bullish trade. This is a 80, 80,000 is a psychological level. Market is trying to hold on to that range quite some time, gave a breakout, failed. All of those things are happening. Some clarity we need. If market is buyers are becoming active, then we can plan something. As of now, you see it is respecting 236 level. It has to come above that zone. Maybe I will consider bullish trade. %86 of the people are bullish about the market. Even I'm bullish, but not too much, right? It corrects also later, upside move, something like that is what I'm expecting. This can be kind of trapping zone in the market. I don't want to plan my entry here. Data not reflecting as of now. So with some candle formation, 700, 800 points, something that the SL, because what we need to do at such time, avoiding trade or plan bigger targets. See, if there is a potential, market is within a range, there is a bigger potential means, then maybe you can give around 400, 500 points and try to capture bigger movement. That's the best you can do. 800, 900 points risk and all is not required. Okay. That's my personal opinion. If it comes here, it might be a better entry, or at least up to this zone and then correct. Something like that. If it happens also, better entry we might get for the trade. Whatever movement market has done, it has failed that. Okay. So now little bearish trade people will be there. Considering this as resistance, people will be taking bearish trade. So a potential movement is possibility is there towards the upside. That's what I'm looking at. So I'm not planning any bearish trade at this point of time. Here, not reflecting. Sriram sir, good evening. Gautam sir, good evening. Can test 82,000. I'm not planning for 82,000 and all. Here, the sellers who are here, they are strong. If it continues, fine. But maybe at least this zone where market was holding on yesterday, from where market corrected, from that zone, maybe we can expect market to reach that level at least. This is a symmetric pattern. Breakout was very small. It has converted to failure, and the upper level they're trying to hold. Hopefully they give me an opportunity on the buying side. How to join crypto group? You need to open account with Delta Exchange. In the pinned comment there is the link. That's our referral link. With our referral link, when you open account, you will be added to the crypto community group. After opening account, please send a WhatsApp message to the number what you're seeing on the screen. How much point correction is this? Sorry. much point correction is this? 400 to 600 points. Continuously these three candles are strong, but I will not say it is that strong, because you see candles are not such big candle, right? This 500 600 points candle, this one, okay, I think around 300 350 series of candles together. Yes, it can be around 600 points. But here, what kind of continuation market is given here? I'm not seeing that continuation. I'm seeing, but I feel this breakout, if it fails, this zone I have marked, right? Continuously, this was acting as resistance. Now, any random people considering this area as support, if they have entered and if they're not booked their profit, weak players market can remove. It can test that level. So I'll wait for some time. How much has the market corrected? Showing continuation, and it has given a trend line breakdown as well. From recent move, the market has corrected approximately up to 618 level. Okay, I'm considering this as a movement to remove weak players before the upside move, so I'll wait for some more time. Here Nasdaq, S&P 500, everything is kind of positive from this zone. 700 points, the risk is too much. If it gives a breakout above this level, I can consider. Near this, after giving breakdown any bullish setup it is showing, maybe I will consider. That is the first trading setup where I will not be placing bigger stop loss for the trade. Spike is a good one, 800 points. Around 3%. Why can't it be around 2.5%? Always 3%, 3.5% initially itself. Those of you watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, then support the channel. Now market took support at 618. So it is showing some bullishness here. Should I enter or not? I'm thinking. So 618 level, okay. But the series of candle I'm looking at, little more. Let me wait. Safe trade will be above this zone, but this additional points I will miss. For that I might have to give bigger stop loss. That is something which I don't want to do. Around 3.3. Little more. Breakdown would have attracted some people. It's correcting, let it correct little more. Closer to the support, if I'm getting any setup, okay, so maybe market comes to this zone, any reversal, or at the upper zone, something like that I'm waiting for. Exactly 618 level it is holding. It's simply if I take early entry, right, this one candle, wick only is close to, see this one candle, wick only is around 300 points. I can't keep this as stop loss. I need to keep it little lower. So it will go for another 600, 650 points. Somehow we need to try to catch the bottom. It's not easy to catch the bottom. We'll see how much market is correcting, what it is trying to do. I think little more I have to wait. What do you think, traders? Market is respecting 618. Do you think we need to enter here itself? Market has given a breakdown. It would have attracted some bearish traders. From here only you think it will move towards the upside? I feel little I have to wait. What's your opinion? Is it possible for you to decrease the stream delay? See, in YouTube, delays will, whatever we do, how good your internet connection is, at least there is going to be 10-second delay. So that 10-second delay is something which we cannot avoid. Global market positive, European market kind of positive, market respecting 618. It'll move 600 points. For 600 points, plan is 1400 points. So risk reward 1:2 is setting properly. That's okay. Continuous pull. Correct. I think we should take and don't know if I'm right or wrong. We have to. Okay. Shouldn't we wait for a bullish price action? See, the bullish price action candle only will be like close to 300, 400 points if it happens. That is one concern. I'm not sure, but I feel we can capture a bigger move if market corrects a little bit. But if it moves from here, we will miss the opportunity. That issue is there, traders. That issue is there. Market goes below the zone, entire view what I'm having about the bullishness only will change. Okay. So up to the zone, I cannot place the stop loss. Big stop loss, take then less quantity. Less quantity. Already I'm taking less quantity only in that word. Less quantity. That we can manage. Okay. Taking less quantity. This trend line also acting as a supporting zone. Somewhat bit skeptical I'm being right now. Don't know why that feeling I'm having. Usually I don't have that feeling. Quickly I will jump into the trades. From upside, close to 50% correction. The market has moved already nicely. US market. Sometimes you are taking 5 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes. It is confusing. I'm taking 3 minutes because I wanted a bullish candle here for me as a confirmation to plan my entry. So lesser time frame I have taken. This candle though. Okay, chalo. My gut feeling always I go as per the gut feeling only. See, like this, any moment comes means that is better for me is the only thing I'm thinking. That I'm close to this zone, I'll get stop loss for the trade. That's the only thing I'm waiting for. Symmetric pattern range 100. This zone, if it comes, if I miss the zone, I'll plan the zone placing stop loss here, because stop loss will be around 350 points, something like that. Global market though, little, if it corrects, but it's still higher time frame, more confirmation than lower time frame. Higher time frame will tell me, okay, let's go here. I go for 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is saying this area is the zone. Okay, here plan for bearish trade, but market is here. But my live stream, by the time my live stream ends, then market can reach here. That time I'll miss out on the opportunity, right? So major trend is okay. It is kind of bearish here like this, but minor trend upside move is what I'm trying to capture. We'll wait, traders. We'll wait. Anyways, market is staying below 80,000 right now. Big stop loss. Take that and all I've seen message. Any strong green candle, if I get also below that candle, I'll place off the stop loss. Nothing strong candle I'm getting right now. Okay, I hope you guys have participated the poll. Around 80% are bullish about the market. 81%. Down, retest. This level, market has took support, broken the level, removed weak players by giving a pullback. Again, if market corrects, main support will be this zone. From here, any reversal. If it breaks off this level, okay, I'll go for bullish trade. Okay, or if it comes down at any level here, I'm getting a W pattern setup or anything as such, I can look for bullish trade. Doesn't the technical mean that you plan a trade against the majority? Yeah, majority is kind of bullish, okay, looking at this global market sentiment. But sometimes stop loss hunting also I have to see, right? If you say that majority at this point of time they are bearish about the market, so I have to take a bearish trade, but I'm thinking opposite. Anyway, symmetric pattern also is becoming tight. We will wait, traders. You are right. Hopefully, after waiting for too long, if I don't get the bullish setup, market turns bearish, it is a problem. It's kind of okay. It was holding 618 level strongly. Again, it is holding on to this level. No, I meant against the pole. But yeah, I feel waiting is best. Poll also, before I conduct the poll itself, I was saying my view is bullish. Some people might go as my view also. Next time, like before I share pre-market, I'll ask people to vote, right? Like that I have to do. Thank you for each and everyone who's participated the live stream. Now, how many of you captured this moment? This bearish setup, what I had discussed in the group. At what time? This was around 11:37. I discussed about this bearish setup. Breakdown only below this level, we can plan for bearish trade. Risk reward I had given. I did not wait too much until target, because I said people also book if you want. If you see my order history, my fill order also, that 150 quantity got filled, entered only 500, 600 points I was able to capture. I thought that is more than sufficient because market was a bit confusing. So many of them, when I said you can exit, maybe you would have captured around 700 points. Market is forming double bottom here. Candle is strong. So I will place my order. Let me see. Simply I have to start trailing the stop loss. That's all I can do. Too much time, I cannot wait for this trade. I've entered at the upper level rate. People can wait for the breakout. Okay, then you can place the stop loss if you want. Actually, stop loss for this particular trade is big. That is what I wanted to avoid in the first place. I don't want to place my stop loss here. I want to place it somewhere here. What this can. Simply I need to keep reducing the stop loss for this trade. Who wants to wait, you wait for the breakout. Okay, when you get the breakout, you can plan. For me, this seemed like a strong candle which covered the previous levels. So I'm taking this candle as my buffer. Market goes below this candle, no point in holding the bullish trade. Just hold on to this. Target is kind of big itself for me. Entry is here, stop loss is here. Basically, I wanted my stop loss to be somewhere at this zone. I could not give that stop loss. Target is here. People wait for the fresh entry, okay, above the zone. When market comes above the zone or when it goes above the zone, you plan the fresh entry. They say Lakshmana Rekha kind of thing, right? I'm considering this as my Lakshmana Rekha. Reduce my stop loss a bit. Quickly break this level, dude. Me captured around 600 points. Good for you, sir. Good for you. $400 points is kind of okay. Hopefully, traders, if I get a spike on the bullish side, if market goes to 80,200 range or something like that, quickly I'll keep reducing my stop loss. Usually I wait, right, for my stop loss. Later I trail my stop loss. But in this particular trade, I have to trail my stop loss a bit quicker. First let it go above, then I'll speak about it. What's your target? Target is around 81,100. Stop loss as of now is around 79,400. You can see what is highlighted here. 79,400, 81,100. This to symmetric pattern or range it is forming, traders. Quick movement is possible, but in symmetric pattern issue is upside also it can break, downside also it can break. That's why I asked you to wait for some time. So how do you identify a bullish candle, whether institution zone can or spike, or if nifty? It is series of candles. Okay, series of candle is what I have to look into. See, market here it has given a breakout. Okay, after giving a breakout, this candle was low was not able to, market was not able to break the low of this candle, this candle, this candle. That means here they are hunting the stop loss. That is the ideal thing. So now this candle, after a long time, it has formed, covering 3-4 candles. Hopefully I'm thinking this can be an area where I have to enter. This is 618 level zone. I wanted market to come little lower. No point in waiting, I thought, after looking at this candle, right? So my confirmation is this candle. Market goes below this candle, no need to hold. But if from here only, if the movement start, if market is trapping people who entered bearish trade this at this zone and market gives a breakout here, people will be interested in bullish. From the upper zone, I might think about exiting. For all those things, market has to go above 80,300 zone. That is when quickly I can start trailing the stop loss for this trade. Series of small candles is $2 trillion added to US market at open. Good. It's gone to 4%. No big movement only, traders. It's created a high, created a low, just trading within that range. Quickly it has to break this level. That is when I can get my stop loss to this candle. That is all I'm waiting for. Here what would have been the stop loss? Here also same 300, 350 points only risk. Like I said, those who want to wait, you wait for a confirmation where a green candle is formed. Then below that green candle, we can place the stop loss and look for opportunity. Whoever entered along with me, as of now, I have placed my stop loss here. I am just looking for continuation. If the continuation happens, I'll trail the stop loss to this candle. Slowly, if there is a big green candle, below that candle itself, I'll place off the stop loss. Today is a situation where quickly I need to keep trailing the stop loss. How much ever movement market is giving, I need to capture that. For that, first at least it has to come out of the zone. Anup sir, which side you captured 600 points? Bearish side. Traders, the fan noise, is it disturbing you? This market though, not giving any good moment. Who's bullish, wait a bit longer, traders. Don't right away enter. Any strong green candle closing, if you get, maybe below that you can place stop loss and plan your trade. Option selling strategy. Yes, it's in the work. It will come, traders. No morning trade. Okay. Good. The one which we shared in the crypto community group, that one? Or you took trade on your own? What is the stop loss? $75 stop loss and all is not a reasonable stop loss for this trade, I can say. I want to reduce the stop loss for this trade as much as possible. There are certain situations where 100 points also I will give stop loss. But in today's case, I cannot give. What is happening here? 4.2%, 3.3%. Shared one. Okay. Good for you, sir. And happy that you were able to capture a nice move. Maybe you captured 600 points. I would have captured in this particular trade around 500 to 550 points. Because after some recovery, I planned my exit. Now it has broken this level. Good for me. 80,000 is a psychological level. As of now, it is sustaining above that. The sellers, if this movement should have been just to remove weak players from the market before the upside move. With that logic itself, I have taken the trade. Okay, so this was just a weak movement before the upside move. So ideally, market should not, it should ideally easily break this level and next reach the upper target. Selling pressure. Okay, cool. $62 and all is not worth it for this trade. I'll reduce my risk. So around $37 is kind of okay. Go. I tell you, this was just to remove the weak players and market should not respect this. In this resistance, if people enter also, it should go above this. That's my whole idea based on stop loss hunting. These levels and all should be our target towards the upside. Hopefully that is what market, if it does, that is good for me and good for whoever entered along with me also. As per my understanding, I can be wrong, but I'm considering this to be a weak resistance. Hopefully, if it turns out to be a weak resistance, it will be good for me. As much as possible, stop loss also I have reduced for this trade. From $80, I've got it to $37. I'm typing this weak resistance. Don't plan for any bearish trade here, but quickly market is showing some correction. Market is market. It's doing what it wants to do. This is a strong candle, traders. As of now, we are just at cost to cost. Placing stop loss little lower was kind of safe. Not sure what this candle is going to do. Market though is bullish. This though is a. I think now it is. It has entered all the weak sellers stop loss. Weak sellers. See, anyone who entered here, as long as I mean to say the stop loss, right? This area was acting as support, resistance. Later, it was acting as support. Once the support level was broken, people who missed opportunity here, they would have entered. To enter stop loss here only, market did a movement. This additional circus, what market is doing, I'm not able to understand. Why is it holding on too much? Ideally, it should have broken this level already. That too, this extra red candle, what it has formed, no? That also is creating some kind of pressure. Is market deciding to wait for another, let's say 30-40 minutes and then give the upside move, forming the upper range, lower range? What it is deciding to do, it's as it goes, stays sideways for long, no? It becomes confusing. It has to break this level. People have not yet given up this level. After stop loss hunting, again, if people are entering here, the stop loss is on top. It has to break this level. That is when I'll be more confident with the setup. That is when I can trail the stop loss to cost, right? Are you going against your strategy? I might go against the strategy. See, one thing I would say is you need, when US market opens, right? If strategy is giving the setup, to a certain extent, it will be just 50-50 or lesser probability. Okay. Sometimes it will work. I'm saying use that strategy when, market is not giving you such a, this one, big spike, or when market is not just opened, that time and all you cannot plan the using that setup. Basically, along with that, you have to also think about the market using price action stop loss hunting. Now I know this is uh, kind of 618 level. Market has formed this one here. This breakout was fake, but by the time I came live, expectation was it will correct up to this zone and move towards the upside. This logic is completely based on price action stop loss hunting. It is not based on the indicator or anything, right? Because I don't prefer to use the setup when the market has just opened or during the first 1 hour 2 hours. Let the market settle 9 o'clock 9:30. That time if you're getting set up based on the strategy, then you implement it. As much as possible, stop loss I have reduced traders. Rest is left to the market. It wants to give us the movement that we want. If the view is, if our understanding is correct, already buyers who have entered here during this pullback, they would have re-entered, and this pullback would have been to remove the weak buyers. After that, this buyers would have re-entered to push the market towards the upside. Now it is in a zone. It is attracting some bearish traders. At some point of time, it has to break this level. For that risk, what I'm taking is just $40. So I'm okay with that. With that logic only, I'm saying this is a weak resistance. No bearish setup here. How many of you entered this trade along with me? Let me know. I put a poll, traders. Mention in the vote on the poll. Sheila Muthu ma'am, me as always. Okay. Now who has not taken any trade, this is a zone, right? Wait for some zone. Wait for the market to break the zone. Like I said, as per my understanding, this is a weak resistance. If market breaks this level, a bigger movement is possible. Bigger movement means I'm saying around, let's say from this zone, I think around 900 to 1000 points move. Okay. For us, if market goes as per the direction, we'll make 1200 points. For that, risk is around close to 40-45 points. Okay, 78% entered. Hopefully traders, you have placed the stop loss little lower itself, not giving bigger stop loss for this trade. It's just consolidating. So no need to give bigger stop loss. If it goes as per the direction, we will capture, or else give this small stop loss and we will exit. Already nice movement we have captured in the market yesterday. Just give me a second, I'll be back. Okay. Sorry, traders. Mother is not keeping well, so I just heard her calling, so I had to go. So the setup is going. You know the view, whatever it is. I'm just leaving the trade as it is. Just give me a second, okay? I'll be back. I just need to have a look what she's doing. Yeah, I've left this trade as it is. Traders have not made any changes to the this one. We'll see. I'll try my best to wait for another 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. If there is something important, I might have to go. Hmm. This typhoid is something, it usually don't get cured within a month or something. It takes more than 1.5 months, 2 months, and things like that. So that's an issue. I've left someone around to take care. So people are there to take care. If there is anything urgent, they will give me a call. I might have to leave at that time. Okay. It took a month for you. Okay, sir. For people who are a bit old, it takes more time also. What is the scalping offer in the window? Uh, if you click on this, you will get a last trade. This one scalper means if you close the your trade within 15 minutes, your this one will be, brokerage will be less. They will calculate only one side brokerage, something like that. After a month, doctor gave me revoflexin antibiotic. 5 times later, it was better. Traders are now like in the house itself. Regularly, we are giving antibiotic in the house. 5 days, and then they got better. Again, the same issue started after a week. Again, antibiotic was started. Now again after 3-4 days the same issue. So it is recurring. Yeah, the worst part is morning and night fever. Traders, what I will do is I'll choose this target level. Okay, this target level I'll copy, I'll paste this here. Now for this trade I'm risking around $40. Okay, and for that reward I'm trying for uh 150 $160 here. Already it has come near the stop loss level. Whoever is not entered, don't take any fresh trade. If market breaks this level and then moves towards the upside, maybe the next setup you can look at. Okay, I don't, if stop loss hit now only I will exit. Okay, stop loss hit. I'm not even in the mood to plan take any other trade also. All right, traders, thanks for participating. Have a good night. Bye bye.